Welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about how to label your cue track. So here we have a mini session with a cue track that's not labeled at all. So we want to make audio tracks underneath it with all the different sections of the song: instrumental, verse, chorus, bridge, and tag. We're going to use Command E to split the clip right where the cue happens.
Intro, repeat, verse.
So Command E, there's
Verse.
our verse, and so on.
Tag.
And I'm going to speed it up a little bit for us. Okay, so we have the whole song clipped out and all of them in their respective tracks. We're going to select them all, right-click, and go to Assign Track Color to Clip. Okay, now I'm going to right-click the clips within each track, and I'm going to label them. So rename, instrumental.
Verse.
Oh, forgot these verses. Let's pull them down. Oh, get the color right. And then I'm going to select them all, right-click, rename, verse. Let's do that for the chorus, the bridge, and for the tags. Oh, looks like I need to zoom in a little more. There we go. Tag. Now we're just going to pull each of them right back into our cue track. Make sure you're being careful that they're going straight up and in. Get our choruses. Get our tags. I like to zoom in just to make sure everything's sitting right. There's no spaces. And then delete our audio tracks that we don't need anymore. And then check it.
Chorus, verse, chorus, bridge.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed, what we could talk about next.